nicely, don't you? Where are you going?
It's not gonna go well.
Oh, he caught himself. Now what? Oh, you did it! Hey, buddy. What'd you find out there? Oh, he doesn't care. Now what are you going to do? What'd you do, little one? Hey, Zachary, did you go out the front door? How'd you do that? That's pretty good. I think I'll come back in. And where shall I go now?